So this is Clicky. I've not seen anything really quite like it.
Command AI.
Clicky is a personal assistant that follows you around on your screen and does what you ask it to, by a guy called Faza. One of the things that really caught me about this app is the onboarding experience.
Hey everyone, so this is the new version of Clicky. It's the simplest interface in the world for you to interact with the models and actually spawn agents. So check this out. I can literally just be here on my computer and I can just tell Clicky, hey Clicky agent, can you clean up these screenshots on my desktop? It's just looking really cluttered. And this is a really simple use case. We can see Clicky just created a new version of himself and went off to actually spawn an agent to go do that work, which is cleaning my desktop. And what's cool is I can also hover this thing. I can see what it's doing. And I had just spawned an agent with just my voice. And just like that, it cleaned up my desktop. And I can pretty much spawn an agent for anything. So I want to show you also another one, which is really cool, which is that Clicky can actually interact with native Apple apps. So I can say, hey, Clicky agent, can you set a reminder for me for tomorrow at 9 p.m. to get dinner with Sharif at Pakwan? And that's it. And it's going to go off. And it's going to actually go in the background, interact with my native Mac apps, and just go do that task for me.
And this is the interesting thing, because it can actually use your screen and use your computer, but it's kind of working alongside you. You know, it's not like Dispatch or whatever, which is still all really, really good. It's just kind of like there when you need it. And here's the scary thing, because it's always watching your screen, it is kind of like Microsoft Clippy in more ways than you think about. And you can say, and I've never got this to work either, but you can say, hey, Clippy agent. Hey, Clicky agent. Maybe I've been saying Clippy agent instead of Clippy. And it's supposed to just spawn an agent. So whilst you don't even have to press the shortcut. This is like 2 weeks old, guys, 2.5 weeks old. It's very new.
Hey, Clicky agent. I'm the CEO of this company, of this rocket company you see on my screen. Can you research my competitors and save it as a PDF and open it for me when you're done? And just like that, at the top of your screen, you'll see Clicky just spawned an agent. And I just did it with just my voice. Hey, Clicky agent, can you make me a website for the beautiful person watching this video right now and open it in the browser when you're done? And bada bing, now we have 2 agents working, and Clicky will let
You
you
can
know.
move your mouse right now.
And so that's Clicky Agent. It can do so much more. It can
Close your
set app reminders for you on your native Apple reminders. It can schedule stuff for you. It can write stuff for you. It can do anything. It's the simplest interface in the world to talk to the models and spawn agents.
Is that that website will open up and that PDF will open up. There you go. So build that website on the fly, and then now you can interact with it. You can say, hey, make it more colorful, or hey, make it all black and red, or something like that.
The interactivity of it is making it really, really interesting.
So it's just looking at whatever's on your screen right now, and it's like dealing with it there. But I mean, I've been trying to use it. I haven't quite found a use case for myself and what I would do with it, to be honest. But it's a really interesting innovation that I think that, I don't know, I think this will open a few doors. Certainly the way they present themselves, like he's literally messaged me and said, hey, here's my WhatsApp, give me a text. Like, because I was having problems with it. Like, he's really going down this personal route. And you saw in the video there, he made loads of mistakes in the video. And I don't think that was intentional, or at least he didn't mind that he messed up.
Yeah.
It's a whole brand image, and you watch their videos and they're all like a family sort of thing.
Like the first use case that I can think of is obviously like learning. If I'm doing something, how can I change the
when I was in Logic there, it told me how I can open the keyboard or something like that, right? Yeah, it was $15-20 I think I paid for it.
Yeah, I'm gonna play with it. I'm gonna play with it and think of some use cases.
Do one thing for me. Ask your Clicky agent to go to insiders.commandaishow.com.
Go to insiders.commandaishow.com, which is spelled Cmd+AI show.com. Let's see.
We want to build some sort of community effort beyond these live streams. And we don't know what we're going to do. We don't know how we're going to present it. We don't know anything, actually, in fact, which is why if you go to insiders.commandaishow.com, you know how Command AI is spelled, unlike Clicky here. Thanks for that. If you let us know your name, give us an email and let us know what you want to learn about. There's a list of topics here, or if you select I don't see my topic, you can type something. If we were to get together on, say, a weekly or a monthly call, What
like
would
one,
you want to talk
yeah,
about?
like in a group setting, it would
Group
be.
setting.
Yeah, in a group setting, like listening to what you're trying to do, where you're potentially having issue with AI, either you're starting or you want to, you know, do more or just stay updated. This can get interesting for you guys to potentially come to the calls, and we can recommend you specifically to use something for what you're trying to do or how you like to get stuff done. If you're interested, head
Link in
to
the description.
Insiders, yeah, and become an insider.
This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.